Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Today, for Canada Day, I'm going to be doing some Morning Glory sparklers. And I'm going to do a couple other things in a later episode. And I know I promised road flares, but I can't do those in the garage for obvious reasons. And it's been raining on and off for the past week or so, actually all summer. So the ground is a total swamp. But at least I'm giving you what I can give you under the circumstances, and I promise the road flares will appear in the future. And here to microwave the Morning Glory sparklers for this Canada Day special is Big Jareth, the Kenmore BEAST of a microwave. Right, let's stick in the sparklers. Set the time for 7:01 for Canada Day. And let's get microwaving. Right, the morning glories are done. Let's open it up and examine a very well done post product. All that's left is part of the wooden stem. There's nothing left of this, and what are my thoughts on microwaving sparklers, especially the Morning Glory variety? I would say this is pretty unsafe to do. I would actually bump it into the dangerous category. You really don't want to do this at home. Actually, it's so flammable that all that commotion it made, it almost puts it in the deadly range, but not quite. Anyway, happy Canada Day. I hope you enjoyed this episode.